What's up guys, so today we're going to be unboxing a Ls2 FF353 Rapid motorbike helmet. I picked this up off eBay for about 60 euros. So yeah, let's just get unboxing it then. With this helmet now, it comes in black, grey and white, and you have a choice between many different visors. So I picked the lightly tinted visor, and also comes with an extra visor. So this is the extra visor here. Just going to keep that in the package for now. And the visor that actually comes with is, I believe, the same colour. It also comes with a nice Ls2 bag. So yeah, let's just see what this helmet looks like. Also in here comes with, honestly not sure what this is for. Looks like stickers of some sort. But yeah, let's just get this thing open. Already off the bat, it's a very lightweight helmet. So it comes with a clear visor already installed. You've got air vents on the back and on the front here, which you can open and close. So let's just take off this film here. So yeah, it comes with a clear visor, pre-installed. Very sturdy design on the visor. Clearly clips in very well. So on the inside you have mostly black foam with bits of red and a nice solid coupling system. So yeah, that's just the helmet there itself. And as you can see, it meets the British motorcycle standards, and this is size medium. So yeah, I'll be leaving a link to this helmet in the description, and that's it for this video. Bye.